This is my transducer. Maybe it's the close commercial file. Pop in and that is printed circuit board. For additional circuit. And this bit here goes back connection on there. This connection here goes to the back connection here. And this is what a wire from there. Some of the front. And go there. The voltage across the coil puts the voltage down the tube, which produces full current, ionized gas, probably gas. And within the coil winding compresses by inducing current, so unlike currents repel. Not a pinch effect, it's a very different principle to the Tokamak. But it is a Tokamak because the man defined his containment as magnetic. So it's a sub-miniature one that cost about £5, 5 English pounds that is. And I don't know why they're messing about with these Tokamaks costing billions of pounds, because they wasted the money. And people should be making their own. It's just a bother of why I bought from a shopping there, China. It's nice wherever it is. I can't remember what it's now. But it's very high tech. And this is a standard thing, probably. And it doesn't run out of charge of the car. It's good ones, your own cars. This is 0.9mm wire. That'll take a few amps. I don't know how many turns there are. I haven't measured it. We estimate it from the length of wire, which is 10 metres, I think. 10 metres of wire. That gives you some idea how many turns. Calculation. And I might do that later on. I hope you receive this as a positive thing. And people are afraid of radiation from it. God is compressing this fusing nitrogen or oxygen. It might produce a better positive surface. I don't know. I'm doing so far. It may only be a chemical reaction, which is makes nitrous oxide going through the entropy. But as far as I know, there's a nuclear reaction driving it. That's the theory.